The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others is an inspiring thought by Mahatma Gandhi ji. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. The main reason why people are inspired by Gandhiji is his philosophy of non-violence. He used non-violence to free India from British. His manner of dressing shows us his unwillingness to use foreign products. He always told the people to do their work on their own without depending on others. He tried to eradicate the ever-existing at that time untouchability. These are the reasons why I am inspired by Gandhiji. Though he is not with us today, his great sayings and doings will go on inspiring many people. What Gandhiji achieved in his life was a miracle. He lived in the hearts of millions of Indians and was respected by all. He laid great emphasis on banishing untouchability, promoting Hindu-Muslim unity, promoting literacy, and in the development of a great nation, India. He moved the people with his sincerity and sacrifice. At his behest, they were ready to lay down their lives for the freedom of the country from foreign powers. His name lives on even after all these years. His principles, dedication, and mission continue to inspire the country. I believe the people of India were inspired to follow Gandhiji because he never claimed to be a god or a superhuman. He admitted his mistakes and never blamed anyone. He was just another simple Indian, and his methods could be easily understood by both the educated and the poor. His humility and depth of understanding in the simplest of action has made him the Mahatma. Gandhiji is known as the father of the nation, is the inspiration for millions of people not only during the freedom movement but even today. He used tools like Upvas, Satyagraha, Ahimsa, and non-cooperation to achieve his goals. His most enduring qualities were his insistence to always tell the truth and his disciplined way of life. Gandhiji has shown us how to live by setting an example. He was an ordinary man with an extraordinary will to live his life according to the principles of truth and non-violence. What he preached, he first practiced. Mahatma Gandhiji's life itself is a textbook. He never asked anyone to do anything, but showed everyone how to do it. He is also a true role model for a new generation since he was himself an ideal example for everything he spoke and taught. He inspires because his life still shows the most beautiful pictures of peace, honesty, and truth. Gandhiji's truthfulness inspires us the most. He was a human like us, but he tried to overcome his weakness and succeeded in it. Liberating the country was his true desire and not for any other motive or self-interest. Unlike today's politicians, he didn't have dual personality. He didn't crave publicity. People who came in contact with him felt his positive energy. The person who freed our nation without even a thought of violence is a Mahatma Gandhi. He was an intellectual and turned negative things to positive. I am inspired by his sense of sacrifice. He experienced joy in giving and uplifting the masses. Gandhiji led a simple life. He helped people in need without expecting anything in return. He played a significant role fighting against the British rule and making India an independent nation. He encouraged the people of India to fight for freedom and bring peace and harmony to the nation. He did not believe in wars and conflicts as solutions. It is these qualities that Gandhiji exhibited that inspired people to follow him. Mahatma Gandhiji had a large following of people from the villages because he said Gram Rajya Hi Ram Rajya. It means that if villages lives in prosperity with adequate agriculture and irrigation, the village would flourish as if God himself was ruling the village. He meant that the growth of cities and towns depended on the growth of the villages. He believed in Gram Rajya. So he told them that this would be the root of India's glorious independence.